Hello everybody, so today we will talk a little bit about the lever 3D texture. So let's go to the textures, and for this below can assign, let's expand it, we can assign 3D textures and the lever. Yep. So let's go to the snow texture. Let's select the surface color, just let's say open and close it in order to have it in our history. So just draw into the surface our lever texture. Great. Select the colors of the lever texture. Great. So we can add it with a main texture. Awesome. From the main shader, you can see that it's a lot of specularity right now. Probably I will remove. I don't want to be distracted. Okay, so let's go to the lever texture and just play with that. As you can see, you can definitely go the cell size something small and play with the density, but I want to have something a bit bigger with a thinner size of the density, let's say. Sportiness, and play with that too. In general, I will leave probably simple like that pattern. I mean, definitely we can go to the cell density and it will look like a lever, you know, but I'm not trying to create a lever. I'm just trying to play with a lever node. Okay. Will be like a wearing or something like that. Okay, so let's do fast render and check this out. What we will get. It's looking pretty cool. At least for me. Okay, so what we will do next, can play same thing with colors, with presence, I mean. Yep. So let's try to add something new, or maybe not new, but I don't know which the 3D texture we didn't use previously. So let's try to use structure or something like that. Okay, so let's select the color. Great, and hook into the color our structure texture, and let's see what do we have. Normal options, depth and melt, color balance. Okay, wonderful. Violet in here, violet in here. Let's add a little bit different, say, color to the violet. Maybe darker in here and darker by default. Okay, and as you can see, right away we're getting as well the color variations. Not very visible, not so sharp as with wooden texture as you saw with our RAM texture. However, if you want, you can play with RAM texture and just throw it in here, to be honest. So if you want, we can try to do that. Just select RAM, and I believe it will be, whoops, we selected not the RAM texture, yes. And yeah, we can just throw into the, probably the dark color, yeah. And let's play with our colors. So for a dark, it was a dark purple, for that one, and select something like. And as you can see, simple like that, we can do the changes with our RAM material. Yep. Okay, so let's move to the hover presence, and let's assign them as well some kind of a texture. Yeah. Play with a granite. Yes, was a green one. Go in here. Green, green, and whoops, green. Awesome. As you can see everything, so change it so fast, yeah. And with such simple things, you can add much more value to our work. Yeah, it's sometimes time consuming, but no, it's looking much better with the details than without, at least for me. Okay, so what we can do, we can move the other part and do the same thing, just add the details. And yeah, I hope that you will like this tutorial series of how to texture without 2D textures, let's say, in Maya, how to do something from nothing. Yep. Okay, so stay tuned and see ya.